Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are happy to share with you a wide range of stunning short hairstyle ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to the world as we showcase various short haircuts, including pixie cuts, bob hairstyles, and more. These amazing hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. So join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas in gorgeous colors that you can find in this video. Whether you are from the USA, UK, Canada, or anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on top of the latest summer fashion trends. We bring you the most inspiring and fabulous hairstyle ideas. In today's video, we have something really special for you. We will present an exclusive collection of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find your perfect look. From pixie cuts to trendy bold hairstyles, we have created a collection that covers a wide range of styles and preferences. So, without further ado, let's dive into the captivating world of styles. When it comes to short hairstyles, the options are endless. In this video, we have handpicked 4 different haircut ideas that suit various tastes and preferences. You will be mesmerized by the sheer beauty and diversity of colors, styles, and lengths that can enhance your natural features and make a bold statement. As you watch this video, you will notice a wide range of colors that can transform your short hair into a work of art. From timeless black to warm brown, there's a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts. In this video, witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair, walk for a bold and confident, short haircut. It is truly remarkable how a simple haircut can completely change a person's appearance. And these transformations serve as a testament to the power of a hairstyle to boost self-confidence and make an amazing impact. We hope you are enjoying the video so far. Be sure to watch until the end, as we have many more awesome hairstyles to share with you. If you want inspiration in these short hairstyles, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for being a part of this wonderful journey. Until we met again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you in the next video.